Hey everybody, my name's Daniel. I'm the manager for the Clutch Coffee in Redondo Beach, and I just placed third in the US Brewers Cup competition. Today I'm going to show you how I brewed that coffee using the April dripper. In competition, I brewed the coffee on the Kalita Wave, but today we're going to brew it on the April. So the coffee is the Colombia Las Flores Natural Chiroso. The Chiroso is actually a new varietal that burst onto the scene in the last year or two and is really, really delicate and beautiful. And this coffee, you're gonna love it. So we're using 28 grams of coffee, and I'm using 350 milliliters of water. Okay, so we're gonna do a 50-gram bloom for 30 seconds. All good coffee has a lot of CO2 in it. And so we're just really allowing some of that to be released so that we're able to get a beautiful balanced cut. After 30 seconds, we're gonna pour to 150 grams on top for a total of 200 grams. This pour is gonna be a little heavier than your other pours are gonna be. So we did our bloom and we released some of the CO2. Now we wanna trap whatever's left in the vessel, because this will give us that beautiful acidity. So we're gonna let it sit and almost drain completely through. So we're gonna let it brew till about a minute, 15 seconds, and then we're gonna pour again. We're gonna add another 100 grams on top. So this next pour gets us to 300 grams total. And this is gonna help balance out the coffee, get us a little more extraction and a little more agitation in the cup without having to stir or move it around. After 30 seconds, so to minute 45, we're gonna do one more pulse of 50 grams to hit our total weight of 350 grams for a brew ratio of 1 to 12.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste. Delicious. We're tasting some fresh strawberry and peach. It has a silky body and a black tea aftertaste with a tangerine acidity. And then, let's see. It's just so good. We're starting to get some of that mint to come through, which is really fun and unique. And something that I find I keep coming back to this coffee to taste. Again, you get that kumquat acidity. As it's starting to cool, we're getting some of those candy notes. So I'm getting that peach gummy, I'm getting a strawberry syrup, I'm starting to get a hibiscus acidity, and a little bit of like a white wine aftertaste. Yeah, this coffee, one thing about this coffee, guys, is everybody's gonna be jealous of you because it smells so good. Thanks for joining me and enjoying this cup along with me. We just got more of the Chiroso in, so if you get a chance, get a bag, because once it's gone, it's gone. And this coffee does amazing on the April dripper, so if you need one of those, please feel free to reach out and get one, and reach out about how the best way to brew it, or any coffee, honestly. Thanks for coming and learning with me, and have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon.